Your roof is either a liability or an asset. Every morning as the Florida sun rises over Orlando, homeowners face this simple truth. Right now, thousands of square feet of potential are sitting quietly above your head. While some roofs just soak up heat and drive up cooling costs, others are quietly generating wealth for their owners. Today, Sunstorm Energy is going to show you how to flip that switch. Here's how. If you're a homeowner in Orlando, you can actually make money from your solar panels, thanks to a system called net metering. Think of net metering as a kind of solar savings account. On those sunny Florida days when your solar panels produce more electricity than your home actually needs, that extra power doesn't go to waste. Instead, it's sent back to the grid. And here's the cool part. Your utility meter actually runs backward. For every bit of power you send back, you get a credit on your account, which means lower energy bills. The setup is simple. During peak sunlight hours, you're stacking up energy credits. Then, in the evenings or on cloudy days, you can use those credits to offset your costs when you draw power from the grid. It's like having a virtual battery for all that extra solar energy your panels produce. For homeowners in Orlando, this can lead to huge savings. First, you'll see a drop in your monthly electricity bills. Even better, net metering helps you pay off your solar system faster. Every extra bit of power you generate gets you closer to covering your initial installation costs. With the year-round sunshine in Orlando, you're in a prime spot to make the most of this setup. But to really get the most out of net metering, it's important to make a few smart moves. First, make sure your system is sized to fit your energy needs and usage patterns. And if possible, try to run energy-hungry appliances like the washing machine or pool pump during the day, when your panels are generating the most power. Keeping your panels in good shape is also essential. Regular cleaning and maintenance help your system work at its best, so it can produce that extra power you need to build up credits. Dusty or damaged panels just won't generate as much, so a little upkeep goes a long way. Right now, Florida law requires utilities to offer net metering to customers with renewable energy systems. This makes now a great time to consider going solar, since policies like this could change as more people adopt solar power. Sunstorm Energy can help guide you through these policies, making sure you get the most from your solar investment. To get even more out of net metering, you might also want to make a few energy efficiency upgrades around your home. The less energy your house needs, the more you can send back to the grid and earn credits. Even small changes, like switching to LED lights or improving insulation, can help. For Orlando homeowners, solar and net metering are an incredible way to move toward energy independence and lower utility bills. If you're thinking about going solar, net metering could be the key to maximizing your investment. Take the time to explore your options and talk with local solar experts who understand the Orlando market. Sunstorm Energy is here to help answer questions and support you through the process. If you have any questions or are thinking about installing a system in your home, reach out to Sunstorm Energy for expert advice and assistance. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about solar energy tips, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.